Hi, this is Mick Elliott from Electronic Specifier at Productronica. I'm here on the Yamaha stand with Daisuke Yoshihara, and we're here to talk about Yamaha's one-stop smart solution for component assembly. So, Daisuke, can you tell us about the one-stop smart solution and describe it for us, please?
Okay, so one-stop smart solution, actually, basically, another manufacturer can propose only pick and place, but Yamaha can propose not only pick and place, but also printer, SPI, AOI. Yeah, we can propose total line solution. That's one-stop smart solution. Yeah, that's Yamaha unique functionality. Yeah.
Okay. So how easy is it to integrate into a customer's manufacturing facility?
Yeah. So actually, we have machine-to-machine software. Each Yamaha machine can communicate. Then we can create a functionality for customer. Yeah. For good solution. Yeah.
Yamaha has its one-stop smart solution here. There are various products that make up that smart solution. Daisuke, can you just talk us through each different product that makes up the smart solution?
Okay, first printer. Our printer name is YRP10. This printer is very high speed, very good accuracy, and also this printer has automation functionality. So without a lot of operator work, we can move. This machine is working, very well. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah. And also next SPI. SPI has a machine-to-machine functionality with printer. For example, SPI detect some defect. Then that information goes to printer. Then based on that information, printer automatically changes the setting programs. Yeah.
Okay.
That's one of the strong point of our SPI. Then next, pick and place, of course, very fast and also very accurate, very good accuracy. Yeah, and also very flexible. And we can set a lot of feeders onto our pick and place. Okay. That's also strong point. Mm-hmm. And next AOI. AOI can communicate with pick and place. AOI detects some defects, then that information goes to pick and place. Then pick and place automatically analyze that. Then pick and place inform this is root cause to make a defect. Yeah, we can do that like that. Yeah, yeah.
And I believe there's a graphical user interface as part of this.
Yeah, and graphical user interface almost all similar. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Not different, machine to machine, I mean. One operator learn, just pick and place. After that, that operator can operate our printer, AOI, SPI easily. Yeah.
Okay, right, we're now standing in front of a product which I think this is the first time it's been seen in Europe.
Yeah.
This is the YRM20DL from Yamaha. And Daisuke, can you talk us through some of the features of this product?
Yeah. This is very high speed, very good accuracy, dual lane pick and place. Yeah. Then we released this machine 2 months ago, very brand new. Okay. Yeah. So this machine is very flexible. We can set in total 128 feeders onto one machine, and also this machine can handle small component to big component. Okay. Matrix 0201 to 55 by 100 mm and 30 mm height. Yeah.
And this is manufactured in Japan?
Yeah.
Okay. And first time in Europe, has it been? Are you talking to customers about this product already?
Yeah. Nowadays, some customers want not single lane machine, but dual lane machine. Yeah. So before, 90% of European customer needs single lane machine, but now 10% customer now more than 20% customer wants dual lane system. Okay. So we developed this machine based on customers' requirements. Yeah.
And I guess one of the benefits here is it does speed up, accelerate the whole.
Yeah, very high speed actually. under optimal condition, so 120 kcph is possible. Yeah.
And does Yamaha, both for the one-stop smart solution and this product, you offer an after-sales service in Europe to support customers?
Yeah. So we have a lot of engineers. Yeah. So in total, so including our distributor engineers, around 100 service engineers. So we can support all of customers in Europe. Yeah.
And that's with, both helping them install the machine and then after sales as well.
Yeah. Yeah. Of course. Yeah. Easily. Yeah. We can support that. Yeah.
And finally, has this been a good exhibition for Yamaha?
Sorry?
Have you had a good exhibition here at Productronica?
Yeah. Of course. Yeah.
We had lots of customers. Lots of customers coming on the stand.
Yeah. Actually, so today and it's actually 2 years ago. So actually COVID time. Okay. So not so many people came to our booth, but this time actually too many visitors come to our booth. Okay. More than 1,000 for 2 days. Okay. Yeah, that's very nice. Yeah.
Okay. Daisuke Yoshihara, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.